the quasi-industrial manual welding of the large chassis you want. It came today. This color is very beautiful. It's our TECHARC brand, ZX7-500IT large chassis quasi-industrial manual welding machine. We connect this machine to a 3-phase 380-volt voltage. 4.0, 5.0 electrodes can be long welded. Acid and alkali welding electrodes are okay. This machine has a thermal arc ignition function and external thrust adjustment. When we are at the moment of the arc, and during the welding process, it doesn't break the arc and it arcs very fast. The performance of the machine is very stable. Then the weight of the entire fuselage is about 15 kilograms. Behind the machine, we also equipped a 3-phase air switch, a powerful fan. It's big, so here are 3 wires of fire. We're going to use 6 square meters and more of copper wire. What about its internal workmanship? Let's take a look now. Remove the 2 handles. Remove the case. The case is made of matte material, and it's thick. So let's take a look at this machine. The space inside it is also quite large. It's a multi-board configuration. This capacitor, we use a 60 microfarad 800 volt polyester capacitor. Then above this is a control panel. This is an inductor. Here are 2 modules. Dual module quasi-industrial machine. So with a big reactor. Our main transformer. It's an all-copper wire, a main transformer. Here we go, a rectification of the machine. We also match the rectifier module of the sedan, then a big radiator. Then the machine works as a whole. The quality is very good. Then the materials are of high quality. So let's say we use generators or our outdoor mobile construction. Do some big projects. It's very good to use this machine. Its performance is very stable. So is it working well? I'll take everyone to try it out. Burn the electrode of 5.0. Just turn down the current. 170 amps. Use 5.0 electrode to see how it is. With 175 current, welding electrode of 5.0, the current is still a little low. Let's make it bigger. To 190A. Good 5.0 electrode. We tune to between 170 amps and 100 amps. It welds very well. If you are doing big projects, power supply by generator set. If you need to weld 5.0 electrodes all day, use this one. The arc effect is quite good.